everyone over here at Premier Fitness. Today we're going to be doing a full body dumbbell workout. I have a few different sets of dumbbells, but if you only have one or two sets, that's fine. I just kind of grabbed a few for each different exercise. So today there's going to be 8 different exercises. We're doing 10 reps of each, and this workout was built to be done 4 times. I will be doing the first set with you, and then you can watch the video to do it again, or write it down so you can do it without the video. So first we're going to start with goblet squats. So goblet squats is where you hold the weight up here, feet about shoulder width distance. We'll do 10 of these. Okay, next we're going into lunges, so I'm going to grab a second weight. I'm going to step off the mat so I don't slide for this. So for this we'll do 5 each leg. Right. So then I'm going to grab a different set of weights. We're going to do standing press. So stand and then into a shoulder press. Okay. Next, we're going to do lateral raises. So you want to bring the weights up, not past your shoulders. Okay. Now we'll do bent over rows. So you're just going to bend over and have your weights here and row up. Okay. Then we're going to do tricep extensions or skull crushers. So you put the weight above your head, and you're going to just only using your triceps, lift the weight up and down. Okay, the next one is called hammer curl. So it's similar to a bicep curl, except you're going to hold your weights and do it like a hammer. So we'll do 10 each arm. Okay, last exercise. Again, this is just the first set. This is built to be 4 sets. So it's going to be similar to your bent over rows. You're going to get in that position, but you're going to go all the way down. Slight bend in your knees. All right, So that was the first set. Make sure you have water if you're gonna do the complete 4 sets. But again, you can watch this video again if you want to write down the exercises. I said them all as we went, but then you can do it 4 times through, 4 sets of 10. If you want to modify, you can do 3 sets of 8, whatever feels good. But this workout was built to be 4 sets of 10. So thank you for joining us today. Have a good one.